Good morning students, chapter number 18, perimeter and area. Now today we have to do exercise 18.3. It is the exercise related to the perimeter and area of a circle. Now question number 1 says that if the circumference of a circle is 220 meter, you have to find its diameter and area. Now in the question circumference is given. So with the help of the circumference we will find the diameter first. After that we will find out the area. Now circumference equal to 220 meter. We know the formula for the circumference of a circle is pi into d. D stands for the diameter. I have let diameter as small d equal to 220 meter. Now in place of pi we will put the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. Now we will shift the 7 here, it will go into and 222 will be downward. D equal to 220 into 7 upon 22. These two will be cancelled out, you will get 10. 10 into 7, you will get 70 meter. This is the diameter of the circle. Now diameter is equal to 70 meter. For finding out the area, we will find out the radius. Radius is half of diameter, that is d upon 2. Radius we have let with the small r. Then r will be 70 upon 2, that is 35 meter. Now area, for finding the area, the formula is pi r square. In place of pi, you will put 22 upon 7 into r square means r into r. 70 upon 2 into 70 upon 2. We will simplify this. We are getting 11 into 5 into 70. That means 3850 meter square. This is the area of a circle. Now in question number 2, they have given you the area. You have to find its circumference. For finding the circumference, first of all we should aware of the radius. So with the help of the area we will find out the radius. Now area equal to 154 centimeter whole square. In place of area we will write down the formula for the area. Pi r square, that is equal to 154. R is the radius. In place of pi we have written 22 upon 7. Now we will shift 22 upon 7 here. So we will get r square equal to 154 into 7 upon 22. We will simplify these two. We will get here, we will get 7. That means 7 into 7 square यहाँ था equal to किस साइड जाएगा, रूट में आएगा. अंडर रूट 7 into 7 pair up, then r will be 7 centimeter. Now circumference is 2 pi r. That means 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. 7 cancel out. 2 into 22 you will get 44 centimeter. This is the circumference of a circle. Radius is 7 centimeter. Circumference is 44 centimeter. Now come to question number 3. From a circular sheet of radius 6 centimeter, a circle of radius 4 centimeter is removed. It means this is a circle. This is a big circle. I have let this circle C2. It has a radius as 6 centimeter, and from this circle 4 centimeter radius circle is being removed. It means this circle is removed from this circle. मतलब बचा हुआ क्या portion बचा? This much is left. So you have to find out the area of the remaining sheet. This is the remaining sheet. If you will remove this circle C1, which is of radius 4 centimeter, then this portion will be left. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the area of big circle minus area of small circle. That means area of circle C2 minus area of circle C1, and both have a different radius. Now area of the remaining sheet is area of circle C2 minus area of circle C1. बड़े सर्कल के रेडियस को हमने कैपिटल आर से लेट किया है, और स्मॉल सर्कल के एरिया को रेडियस को हमने स्मॉल आर से लेट किया है. पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस पाई स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. आफ्टर दैट वी विल टेक पाई एज कॉमन. पाई वी हैव टेकन कॉमन, देन इन ब्रैकेट आर स्क्वायर इज देयर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. नाउ वी विल पुट द वैल्यूज. 22 upon 7 into 6 square minus 4 square, that means 22 upon 7 into 36 minus 16, that is 20. 22 upon 7 into 20, you will get 440 upon 7, that is 62.86 centimeter whole square. This is the area of the remaining sheet. Now question number 4. The diameter of a wheel is 70 centimeter. How many times a wheel will revolve in order to cover a distance of 110 meter? We all know that if a circle is covering a one revolution, it means it is covering a distance equal to the circumference of a circle. This is a wheel. If the circle covers one revolution, मतलब एक बार राउंड लेके आता है, तो वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है? उस सर्कल के सर्कमफरेंस के बराबर. It means 1 revolution of a circle is equal to the circumference of a circle. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डायमीटर इज गिवन, सो वी विल फाइंड आउट द सर्कमफेरेंस, दैट मीन्स 1 रेवोल्यूशन. एक रेवोल्यूशन में वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो एक रेवोल्यूशन में वो सर्कमफेरेंस के बराबर डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. दैट मीन्स ये याद रखना, एक रेवोल्यूशन मीन्स सर्कमफेरेंस, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड विल बी इक्वल टू द सर्कमफेरेंस. अगर इतने डिस्टेंस में कितने रेवोल्यूशन करेगा तो ये बड़ा डिस्टेंस है, बड़े डिस्टेंस को हम सर्कमफेरेंस से डिवाइड कर देंगे, वी विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन. Now circumference we have find out pi into d, pi into 70 centimeter, 22 upon 7 into 70, that is 220, that means 220 centimeter. Now they are asking how many revolutions will the wheel will take to complete 1110 meter distance. So 1110 meter distance was given in meter, but we have find out the circumference in centimeter, so I have multiplied this distance by 100 so that it can be converted into centimeter. 1110 into 100 upon 220, मतलब टोटल डिस्टेंस को हमने सर्कमफेरेंस से डिवाइड कर दिया, देन वी विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन. क्योंकि एक रेवोल्यूशन में वो सर्कमफेरेंस के बराबर डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस को कवर करने के लिए हमको नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन अगर फाइंड आउट करना है तो वी विल डिवाइड टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय द circumference. 110 cancel out, then 1100 upon 22, you will get 50 times. It means the wheel will revolve for 50 times in order to cover a distance of 1110 meter. Now question number 5. The ratio of the radii of two wheels is 5:7. Find the ratio of the circumference and area. Now there are two wheels. उनका रेडियाई जो है रेशियो में दे रखा है. सो व्हाट वी विल लेट द रेडियाई ऑफ टू व्हील्स भी, एक को R1 माना है, एक को R2 माना है. 5x आपका पहले व्हील का रेडियस है, R2 आपका दूसरे व्हील का रेडियस, दैट इज 7x. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द फर्स्ट व्हील, उसको हमने C1 से लेट किया है. 2 pi R1, R1 is the radius of the first wheel and the circumference will be C1. Now we will put the value of R1, that is 5x. So circumference of the first wheel is 2 into pi into 5x. Now circumference of the second wheel is denoted by C2. So the formula is 2 pi R2. In place of R2 we will write 7x, 2 into pi into 7x. Now we have to find out the ratio, that means we have to find out C1 upon C2. So 2 into pi into 5x, 2 into pi into 7x. 2 pi cancel out, x cancel out, 5:7 is the ratio of their circumference. Now you have to find out the ratio of the area. Now first of all we will find out the area of the first wheel, that is pi R1 whole square, that is pi into 5x whole square. Now area of the second wheel, pi R2 whole square, pi into 7x whole square. Now we have to find out the area, ratio of the area, it is A1 A2. So you have to find out the ratio of both the areas. 2 into pi into 5x whole square, 2 into pi into 7x whole square. This 2 pi cancel out, it is 5 into 5 25, x into x square, 7 into 7 49, x into x square, x square cancel out. So ratio is 25:49. This is the solution of question number 5. Now today only we will discuss till question number 5. In the next video we will discuss the remaining questions. Thank you class.